Very lastly, sometimes ile karatasi EPRA wanatumia kutangaza mafuta imeshuka, si iko bei kali hata kuliko ile bei wanashukisha nayo mafuta. Because now I have seen that fuel has now come down by 11 cents for diesel. 11 cents means 0.11 shillings. And for petrol, I have seen it 0.8. If I look, the peak of fuel in Kenya, the peak globally, was in around, for the last several months, was in June, around 23rd, globally. Per barrel, it was around $73. Now we are talking about $63. That is a decrease by 14% in global oil prices. Why is global oil prices decreasing by 14%? And in Kenya, it is decreasing by 11 cents. You know, I talked about this earlier, and I talked about a new levy that was introduced last year. And I saw all ministers come to defend it. Now, please, come also defend this cents. Because this issue of fuel prices is not an easy topic. It is very important. Because our factories run on fuel. Our economy runs on fuel. When we keep on increasing the cost of fuel, at any point we get an opportunity, and we do not in commensurate manner lower when the global oil prices are going low, we are basically handing over Kenya to our neighbors. And we are basically handing over manufacturing to our neighbors. We are basically saying we are inefficient in all the facets of the economy that use fuel. Let us be forthright, and we make sure, with the same haste that the government raises fuel prices when fuel prices goes up globally, it should be the same haste fuel prices come down. And we keep on knowing, the more levies we increase, the more cost we put on in terms of fuel, immediately the more we make our economy inefficient, and we hand over our opportunities to other countries who are neighboring. I thank you very much. May God bless you.